Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, aka Team with Irvin. Welcome to another week. Today is November 9, 2019, and today is Saturday. Today we're gonna be analyzing some of our trade for this coming week. And this is only an educational video. This is not a signal sent. You can do whatever you want, but I just wanted to make sure that this is only for educational purpose. Once again, let's go with the Forex disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips out of the market. All right. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so by clicking the bell notification below. Remember, all that information that I'm doing here is free. It doesn't cost you anything. Why not? All right. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done it. And now, guys, I just want to thank everyone that has done my one-on-one session. It has been a very successful and many traders. And if you guys want me to help you, coach you one-on-one, you can send me a private message via my Telegram, which is in the description below, and we can work out how can you improve the your skills. What you're gonna be learning with me is a lifetime skills, and it's very straightforward but super powerful. And there will be a very small fee involved for my time, and hopefully you join me. This is few of the comments that I got from other traders, and there's so many, but unfortunately cannot put all of them on it because there's so much on it. So, but here's only a few of them. So again, if you want me to help you, sure, go ahead and send me a text. All right. One of the apps that I want everyone to know about it is my Forex Hours. On this app, you can download it on your phone. Go to your app store. What you're gonna be seeing on this app is your London session when it opens, your New York, your Frankfurt, Tokyo, and Sydney, and so on. So there's plenty of great information in this app, and so just kind of like download and pay attention. There's another great app as well, but I will go over it and let you know. Okay. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, please do so. Also, I put information in there, just going by the Forex USA group, and that's it. Bingo. Super easy to do, and hopefully you do join as well. All right, another app that I want everyone to be aware of is my Forex book. I'm sorry. And this app is, you can check the news they are gonna be releasing every week. The pairs that I'm going to be analyzing today are subject to change based on the news that usually my Forex books drop. So always pay attention. Rule number one is always check the news, no matter what you're going to be doing on the market. All right. Always is great to know in advance what will be impacted based on the trades that you're going to be taking. It's very important to do so. All right. And once again, please go ahead and hit that bell notification if you haven't done it by clicking subscribe, so you can be aware when is the futures video that I will be downloading, so you are on the top of the game. And remember, all this information that I'm doing is totally free. There's no charge. I just want you to be aware of how our triple arrow works. If you're not a member of the Triple Arrow, I will be leaving the link below, so you can hopefully join us one day. No rush. You can do it whatever you want, but it's there. All right, let's get to work. Today we're gonna be analyzing GBP JPY, and this is done on 4 hours. What is the first thing that you guys see, guys? Tell me. What is it? Where's the triple arrow pointing? Can you spot the triple arrow? Well, if you did, and you said that it was a bearish, you are correct. There is your triple arrow in there, and the market is going sideways, but it's giving you a small tiny pips here and there, but yes, the triple arrow is a beast because it's giving you everything that you need based on the triple arrow. So hopefully you do like it and do whatever you want. What I'm expecting to see this week, I'm expecting to see a small pullback retesting our 23.6 Fibonacci line, and then it's gonna come and retest our triple arrow system, and then we're gonna take over it on Wednesday. For those that this is the first time watching my video, now all our Sunday's video is mostly for our internal use, and then we usually put it public on maybe on Tuesday morning or Tuesday evening, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it live, take a live session on Wednesday so we can reanalyze what we had done on Sunday, and so like that you can see how accurate the system works using the triple arrow system, one of the best systems in the world. In the market industry, if you don't have the triple arrow, I think you are missing huge opportunities on the market, because the triple arrow, I don't think is any other system that can compete with this one. If it is, please mention it in the comment below and we can wrestle your question. All right guys, so hopefully you do like this setup, and we're gonna reanalyze it on Wednesday. Remember, live session is at 7 p.m. Eastern time, and we go over this information again. The next pair that I have, actually I had the pen here, let me take that off. Let me erase some stuff here so you don't need to see it in the next slide. Alright, here we have the GBP USD. This is done on 1 day. Look at here, still valid from last Wednesday analysis. I said market was gonna come back and retest our 61 Fibonacci line, which is our golden area. And then it's gonna do a small pullback, retesting our 61 to our 78, and hopefully we do see a triple arrow by that time. But so far it's getting ready. All right, so let's pay attention. Hopefully I will remember it on Wednesday. I'm looking for a triple arrow here, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna come up, but we're gonna reanalyze it on Wednesday. So please pay attention to that. If you guys have any question that you guys want me to go over it, please leave a comment below so I will know which area you are struggling. So like that, maybe on Wednesday I can help you out, and maybe I can select 1 or 2 questions and we can go over it. Okay, hopefully there will be plenty questions in there so that I can help you guys out. The next pair that I want you to analyze it with me is the NCD USD. This is done on 4 hours. Look at what the trend is doing, guys. The trend is bearish. Why I say bearish? Can you guess? No, you don't have to guess. The answer is here. Look at this. We don't guess here. Triple arrow comes, you got it. Look at what the market is. Triple arrow showed up, the market dropped. Simple as that. Look at here. Let me give you another example. Triple arrow came as a bullish. Look at what the market did. It took off. Simple as that. Triple arrow is the beast, guys. I don't know if you're using properly. If you're not using it properly, guys, what I realized, I want also you to know, when I do my one-on-one session with you guys, a lot of you guys don't have the proper settings, and I just don't know why. So please, watch the video when you sign up and follow all the instructions that Pat usually put in there, and set up your settings correctly. I realize a lot of you guys completely have it wrong by me going through the one-on-one session. I mean, if you want me to take a look at it, I can, make sure that you are up and running. But just send me a private text and we can go over from there. So hopefully that helps. All right. All right, let's move on. We need to find another great pen. Here is your Euro USD. This pair is a What are you seeing first? What do you think the pair is doing? Yeah, it's a bearish trend. You're right. Triple arrow coming in there, and bang, give you some pep, give you some money. What do you think it's gonna do next? I'm looking for maybe 2-3 more candles before the market takes off. Simple as that, guys. It's very simple. Let me put your magnifier here so you can see it as well. Let me take this off here. Let me select this tool here. Look at that. So what I'm seeing here, here's your triple arrow. Triple arrow there. For those that cannot see, what are you seeing there? Can you see the green dots in there? So I'm looking for maybe 2 to 3 more candles before the market takes off and retests our 23.6 Fibonacci line, which is one of the golden area that a lot of you guys see it. All right, so hopefully that helps, and you guys can be better off. I just want everyone to really understand how things works, and we can all trade more smart. Again, guys, if you want me to help you, just send me a private text. All right, let's see if we can select our let me take that off. Let me erase the drawing so I will not get you confused. There you go, there you go, perfect. All right, we here on CHF JPY. This is done on 4 hours. What are you guys seeing on this one, guys? Can someone guess? Or you guys don't want to guess? Huh? Can someone tell me what the market is doing? All right, here it is. Here's the answer. Bingo. Triple arrow show up down. Look at that. Well, I say on Wednesday, the market was going to come back and retest our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. So far, it's doing it. So, probably we're going to start seeing the reversal from this area here. See that? But so far, it did the job. So, I mean, I'm very happy. This system is the best, guys. You know what? Let me move this entry now, and we can put it here, and we can say yes, the market is gonna come back and retest mid 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line before the market continue down and give us a drop, retesting our golden area to our 38.2 Fibonacci line. All right, hopefully you guys are clear on that. If you guys need help, send me a private text. If you don't need help, or you are happy doing whatever you're doing, beat it. Keep doing what you're doing. If you're happy that way, I'm happy for you. If you need help, you can ask me. If you don't need help, do what you do. Anyway, triple arrow don't lie. All right, let's move on. The next pair is the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. This is done on the 4 hours. I say on Wednesday, yeah, the market was gonna drop and retesting our 23 to our 38. So far, it did his part. Let's erase that. What are we seeing this week? I would say we're looking for another 2-3 more candles before we see a small pullback, retesting our 23 Fibonacci line, mid 23. Right, I would say somewhere in there before the market drop. Why do you think the market is gonna drop? I'm looking maybe to start selling somewhere in here. Why you think I would do that, guys? Look at here. What's that? That's a bearish market, guys. Simple as that. Market drop, sure. Give you pip. How many people are you supposed to expect to see? All right, from here to here. 61 pip. I'm happy with 61. Can be $61, can be 6,100, can be 3,000, can be whatever. I don't know how you trade, but it could be a lot. All right, so hopefully you are okay with that. All right, let's move on. Let's get to GBP versus the New Zealand dollar. This is on 4 hours again. And, well, the triple arrow is already highlighted, so I don't need to re-highlight it again and show you. Let me take that off. That is all data. Now, what are we expecting to see this week? We are expecting to see a continuation of the trend retesting our 28 to our 50 Fibonacci line before it reverses back to our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. So yes, so kind of like pay attention. All right, hopefully you find this video very valuable. If you have any question, again, drop it on the comment below or send me a private message so we can wrestle your question and I can put you in the right direction. And please guys, some of you are texting me with silly questions like, Irving, what is TP, what is stop loss? Guys, those are basic questions. Just Google it. Ask me question about triple arrow. I want people to ask me questions straight up what I'm teaching. If I'm teaching you triple arrow, ask me question about triple arrow. Don't ask me things that I'm not teaching. All right. And also, some of you are saying, Irving, can you do a class showing us how to use the Fibonacci? Unfortunately, I won't. I don't like it. I will not do it. I don't care how much you're willing to pay me if you want me to teach you. I'm not gonna do it. All right. So stop asking that because I will not teach you. Period. Keep it simple and lovely, and you just watch the video and enjoy the ride. All right. Let's move on. All right. We had the USD Canadian. This is done on Wednesday. What did I tell you guys on Wednesday? I said the market is gonna go ahead and retest our 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line. So far, so good. So maybe we will see one more or two candle on this going up. Because remember, what do you think the market is doing, guys? Huh? Market is trending up. All right. So look at here. Let me point it for you so you can take a look at it as well. Look at that. Who's there? Triple arrow. Market went up and then a small pullback. Fine. And now it's time to go back up. That's what the market is doing. All right. So we're going to come back and reanalyze this pair on Wednesday so we all can be at the same page. And hopefully on Wednesday you guys going to be having a couple of questions and we can wrestle those as well. All right, the next pair that I have is your AUD versus the Canadian dollar. This is done on 4 hours again. I love 4 hours in daily for those that are curious and want to say, Irving, why you always doing it in 4 hours? Because I like it. I'm not going to do it in 5 minutes. I'm not going to do it in 30 minutes. I just don't like that. All right, so I use the larger time frame. Larger time frame is where your money is if you want to make money. If you don't, keep doing what you're doing. Just want to learn my way, just pay attention. All right. Hopefully that answers your question. Curious guys. All right, the next one here is the Australian dollar versus the Canadian on 4 hours. What I'm expecting to see this coming week, I'm expecting to see a small pullback, retesting our 23 mid and our 38 and our 0 Fibonacci line. Why I'm saying it's a retracement. Can you spy the answer? Let me give you 3 seconds. Well, you said it was a sell. You're right. You are right, buddy. Market is trending down and it's about to give us a small pullback, and then the market is gonna continue down to give us another couple more pips, and we are all set. So we're gonna come back on Wednesday and analyze that pair as well. Hopefully you're gonna join me on Wednesday at 7 p.m. All right, so make sure you get there and be ready. All right, let's move on. Now we have the USD JPY. Let me remove this. This is old data. We studied only new data. Let me remove this. This is all day as well. All right, I see the big arrow here. In my opinion, still trending up. But what I'm expecting to see this week, I'm expecting to see a small pullback, guys, to retest our 23 Fibonacci line and then do another small pullback, retesting mid 23 and our 0 Fibonacci line. And hopefully by then you should be able to have a triple arrow in here. But we're gonna reanalyze it on Wednesday so you can learn as well. And thank you guys for all those that are sending me a lot of messages and saying thank you, Irvin, your weekly analysis is great. I'm learning a lot from you. I really like to see that you guys are finding this video very valuable and you're doing your own analysis as well. And remember, this is not a signal. This is not a signal, guys. If I do come up with a signal, I will let you know. But so far, I don't know. I just don't know. I don't even know. I don't even know how I can help in the area. But if I do, I will let you know. But if you want me to do that, you know, drop a question or send me a message. If you want me to keep doing what I'm doing, and okay, it could be one. I can keep doing what I'm doing, teaching you, you know, weekly Sunday setup, following the setup on Wednesday, or I can just give you signals. But it has to be one, because I cannot do both at the same time. Unless you pay me, I will do it. Alright? Just kidding. Just let me know which one is more beneficial. I just want to be good at one thing. I hate doing multiple things, because, you know, and then you lose focus on what you're doing on. So just let me know what works best for you, and I will take that very serious. Okay? Alright, let's move on. Hopefully I do get an answer for you. Here is the GBP Canadian dollar, guys. We are here on H4. Let me delete this box here on the top. I don't even know what I have it in there. What do you think the market is doing, guys? All right. It's trending down. You're right. Now, what I'm expecting to see this week, I'm expecting to see, you know, a small little tiny pullback, all the way retesting our mid 23 and our 0 Fibonacci line before the market dropped to our 38 Fibonacci line. Don't worry, we're gonna come back on Wednesday and reanalyze it. So no, there's no need to panic on this one. So we can see how many we have done. Great. By the way, as all you know, I had done 3 months and 2 weeks. And 3 months and 2 weeks, 3 months and a half basically, I had only one loss. And that was done on the USD JPY. I knew it was a buy, but I was going with a small pullback. The small pullback didn't work on my rules, and it took us out, which is fine. So I would say in 3 months and 2 weeks, it's still like 99.9 winning ratio, which is pretty good. I'm not expecting to see that, you know, forever. It always gonna be some of the trades that are gonna work against me, which is fine. But if I can have 3 months out of 12 months winning ratio, is really good, guys. I think it's really good. Those 3 months can be your entire year income, and you don't have to do anything in the rest. So yeah, I mean, I love it. And remember, all I'm doing is triple arrow, guys. Triple arrow, triple arrow. You pay for triple arrow, that's what you're gonna get from me. I will not give you any stuff, extra indicators and all that. They're great. They're great, but I just don't want to do it. If you want to learn with me, you know, naked triple arrow, here it is. Simple as that. No fancy stuff. And guys, all those newbies that are coming in, they will be dropping a lot of fancy indicators on the chat room. Please concentrate to the learn only the triple arrow. They already know what they're doing with those indicators, and you don't. That means you have to learn a new area, and you're gonna put your triple arrow on the side. No, prioritize your main goal, triple arrow, and it's easy. And remember, always use your time frame. I don't know what time frames you guys using. If you ever want me to maybe create another video or what time frame are my favorites from higher time frame to lower, I could do it. Maybe I can do a 5-minute or 10-minute video and kind of like give you an overall idea of how I do mine. So, or if you don't want me to do that, then just send me a message and I'll tell you one-on-one. All right, fair enough. Let's move on. Here is our USD Swiss francs. This is again on H4. Let me delete this. This is all data. Alright, what I'm expecting to see this week, guys? I'm expecting to see maybe 1 or 2 candles pulling up. Because remember, the overall or the trend is bullish. Here it is. That's why the market took off. What I'm expecting to see for this area here, from this area, I'm expecting to see 1 or 2 candles before the market drop. So kind of like pay attention to that. In my opinion, yes, it will drop from this area here. All right, so be on the lookout. All right, let me delete this. You don't need to see this silly stuff there. All right, and the next pair that I have, this is the euro versus the New Zealand dollar. This is on the H4. Let me delete this. You don't need this stuff here. I just like to have the chart clean, guys. The more clean it is, the better off is for your eyes to learn. Okay. All right. So far, what I said last Wednesday, it has worked well. This is all data. This is all data. All right. So I said the market was gonna come and retest at 38 mid-50 Fibonacci line. So far, it's doing it. I'm happy for that. For this week, we're gonna see a small pullback, dropping and retesting our mid 23 or 0 Fibonacci line. Remember, what is the trend doing? It's already highlighted. It's bullish. So we see that most likely. If I'm patient, I will look for a continuation of the trend and pull a buy here. And here, I will maybe grab, maybe 20 to 30 pips, and maybe in here I will leave it as open position. I think that's what it is, but hopefully you captured the idea. And anyway, we're gonna reanalyze the stuff on Wednesday for so we can know what we're doing and everybody's happy. Please, guys, share this video with all the newbies that are coming in. If they haven't heard about my channel, so they can also learn. And this is straightforward. Again, I will be leaving all the description how you can contact me below on the description, and make sure you send me a private text if you have any question. If you don't have question, that's fine. And don't ask me silly question, please. Don't ask me what is stop loss, don't do that, please. Learn the basic before you start asking questions. Ask me questions about what I'm teaching, triple arrow. That's all I want to know. If you want to know about triple arrow, you have found the right person. If not, I can't help you guys. I cannot help you. All right. And let me know. I want everyone to please let me know which one you want to choose. You want me to continue doing what I'm doing? That's option 1. Option 2 is jumping in to create signals for you guys. Let me know which one is better, because I kind of have an idea, but I want to focus only on one thing. I want to be good at one thing. I don't want to be a Superman doing multiple things, because I'm not a Superman. I'm just only one person. The easier I do my stuff, you will gain a lot of knowledge out of it. But I want to see your honest opinion, so we can work as a family. All right. So what else, guys? I don't know if you have again, make sure you sign up to my YouTube channel if you haven't done it. So like that we can continue our education training. All right. Okay, guys. So that's all I have. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.